glow. Sorry, I had to close my door. That fan you hear in the background is the Holmes. Alright. Medium. The blades are very off balance, but it doesn't really affect. Like, it doesn't shake at all. They're just like either pointed up or pointed down. It's weird. It's just an unbranded 80s model, 80s ceiling fan. There's no making badge, not that I know of, but it's very odd motor housing. But it does the job, so. Here's high. On high you can see all the blades, how they change in height whenever it's spinning fast. Light off. And off. Has pretty good bearings. And we never oiled it, and it's 30 years old. Those green star things you see are those fuzzy glow-in-the-dark things that you like put on walls or ceilings. Since this is the kid room, we just like did that when I was little. No badge at all. Anywhere. But it has this crystal looking chain ornament, which is neat. This one had it until it fell off and broke. So I just left it off. It's not a flush mount, it's just like it has the tiny little pull, but you just can't see it from this angle. Well, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.